Jennii has to wrangle Slinky. He can be naughty. Oh wow, she just went for it.
Oh, he's not bad. Once you get him off the perch, he's chill.
Good. Wow.
Can you grab the lid?
Okay.
Thank you. Well,
This. Don't let him get you, Jennii.
Look, he's being arboreal lizard. He's trying to perch on your arm. Or snake. I said lizard. That's a snake. It's a no-leg snake.
Do not get bit.
Or get bit. Better the ratings.
yep, perfect.
Tyler, shut up.
Sweet.
Getting bit by one of these guys would be no joke.
That was
Tyler.
not under your waist.
Here's Mr. Cranky Pants. Oh, goodness. He's in there. He was fast asleep. But we gotta be careful of this guy because he is aggressive. Autumn is wrangling the collared tree runner lizards. And they earn their name. They are runners. She got one. Got the little one.
Yeah.
Yeah, now she got to get the big boy. He's like, I am a runner lizard. I run. It just slides out of your hands. Yay! Jennii is fixing his tank. So they do tank changes. Autumn's gonna redo the collared tree runner cage right here. Tyler's just kind of walking around over there. Smile, you're on camera. There's a sign right there that says smile, you're on camera, but you're also on camera, so. Oh, she almost got it done.
Yeah.
What happened? Did you fall off?
Oh yeah. I stepped on it, but it like went sideways, so almost broke a tank today. Come out here. Yeah.
Autumn's gonna be the spotter. He got too cranky in the smaller bin, so we can move into the big bin. Oh, he's getting really defensive again. Oh boy.
Dude, it's like a braid. It's like one more.
Stop biting, bud. Stop it.
I've not been bit by this guy is because of how cautious I am.
Well, yeah.
I've never been bit by
Yeah, just
Smush them.
There we go.
oh, we're not moving in.
Constricted.
Alright.
Alright.
Don't be scared.
Alright.
You got him. That's alright. Just let him
Alright,
go.
let him go.
You got it.
Not if he's on her arm.
Oh, don't kill the snake.
She see he,
Yeah.
he
He
fell.
was ready to go after you again.
Yeah, he was ready.
Not a happy boy.
Is that an aggressive snake?
Oh.
Yes.
The
No,
most
he's
annoying.
all cuddles and
See, he's exploring his new digs. Well, they're not new. It's just reorganized, rearranged. One of the branches had fallen over, so you gotta kind of reorganize the whole thing. Autumn's getting dirty.
So that's why I still have to get more though.
And then we went in and got just a bunch of like sand and water and filter.
I don't have enough dirt.
She's not dirty enough.
Not yet.
Because I'm getting dirty again. Oh my goodness, I tell you. She broke her nail. I heard something fly by me and I'm like, what was that? That's her nail breaking. Oh my lord.
Ugh.
She's falling apart. This bedding looks so much nicer. Look at that. And then the glass is super sparkly clean now. No more water droplet stains or anything. Lovely. Now the fun part, get to decorate it.
Kind of like that. Debating. There's some.
And just make it look like a little tree. There you go.
Yeah. Dope. So mad because he called me Autumn instead of.
On accident! Her name actually is Autumn. I try to call her every other season or month of the year, and I called her by her actual name, and I feel bad.
Why?
Because that was my thing. It's like our Heather thing.
Okay. He likes to call her Fall because her name is Autumn.
Or summer, spring, winter.
Why?
Um,
That makes no sense. That's not autumn season. Autumn season is fall.
fair enough. I called her March earlier, too.
Oh, good thing you had the wood there. He's like, I'm just gonna climb right up on here.
No, the one's taking advantage of that cork bark I put in there.
Blends into that cork bark.
Oh, yeah.
He's like, I'm just gonna stand here and they won't see me because I blended, right?
Jenny! Now we see if Jenny approves.
Oh, Jennii will approve. He's happy. Look how non-water spotty it is. Lovely.
It's like a little tree, like how there's that.
We'll just have to be careful because since it's full of holes, the crickets will like to hide in there.
Yeah.
So we'll have to be careful about that.
Yeah.
They usually eat the crickets before they can get it.
Yeah, there's
Usually
definitely that.
voracious.
But I can always shake it out a second time if needed.
Yeah, looks good. I like it.
She approved.
Well done.
Jennii approved.